All right, so we got that. She's here. Got this in the back, and we got this light and that light. So right now we're gonna do a shoot right now inside. We're working, this is like a 3-light setup. Just wanna show you, we have this Godox AD200, and this is for the backlight. To hit the background, we have the AD200. And for our main light right here, we're going with the Godox AD600. All right, our model is here. Okay, what is your name?
I'm Lilian.
Amaya?
Lilian.
Lillian. Okay, Lillian. And are you in school or what? What do you?
I have my own nail spa.
Oh, you have your own hair spa.
Yeah.
Okay, your salon. That's really good. Okay, so you're a little nervous. You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. All right. So Lillian, let's get started. On the Indian Ocean right now. We're gonna take some pictures. All right. We're on the Indian Ocean right now. See right here. And we're going to take some pictures of Lillian. We're gonna get our flash ready. And we're gonna start doing our thing. Look at that. That's with the skis. See if you can get a little closer. Got them? Here we go. Okay. People enjoying themselves here in Africa. Photographers out there. This is called the Lux Master from Godox. Any other extra accessories you have to buy, like this is a small softbox. It's not a powerful flash, but it can give you some good results if you're up close. If you're backing up, you're not gonna get nothing at all. You're not even gonna get, you can't even illuminate the subject. So just remember that in order to, when you buy this, the Lux Master, this doesn't come with it. Okay, so you have to buy this totally separate. And that is the Godox LM-S25. All right. You notice how the sun is naturally illuminating her hair, so you don't need another light. This light right here will work as the main light. Okay.